so bored I have nothing to do. I'll just scroll on TikTok for you page. Oh my god, it's that Coco Chanel girl. Breezes that you gotta. Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. Ooh. Yeah. Right. I know what I'm thinking. Let's try it out. Breezes that you gotta. Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. Wow! Oh, that actually hurt. Yeah, we're just gonna act like nothing happened. Yeah, we're never trying that out again. Oh, what's the matter? Oh, quick, act like nothing happened. What's the matter, Poppy? What's the matter, Poppy? Wait, no. What's the matter, Poppy? Guys, sorry for that. Anyway, continue. What? It's not cold. Well, it is winter, but... Right. Oh my god, it is cold. It's so cold. Oh my... No, my phone just switched off. Why is it not working? It's not turning back on. What am I gonna do? Wow. Wait, good idea. Let's tell Mom. Mom. I'll just have a sneak peek. No one will know. Sneak peek. Dad, what are you doing? Oh my god. Nothing. Okay. Anyway, haven't you seen it so cold? What? It's cold. Oh yeah, it is actually cold. I know. Can you do something about it? Well, I don't know. Just ask your mother. Okay. Now, back to the gift. Let's hope she's down on second floor. Yeah. Come on, Poppy. Let's hope she's down on second floor. But we're gonna have to be quiet because she might be feeding the twins to sleep. Okay. I think they're just about to get to sleep. Okay, that's good. Mom. Mom. Shush. Be quiet, honey. What's the matter? It's freezing. Me and Poppy are freezing. Well, it's not freezing. We've already said that, and I know, but feel. Oh, you're right. It is cold. Oh my goodness. Whoa! I've only got one sleeping bag. No, not for me, and one for the babies. They'll just have to both be snuggled up, and I'll put extra padding on. Okay. They should be fine, but I don't think we'll be fine. We better warn your other siblings. Give that back. You're not ones. Give that back. That's not yours. No. Shut up, Mia. No one likes you. Oh, for goodness sake. Why are the twins always arguing? Those twins. They're always arguing. I'll look after the twins. Yeah, and I'll go see what's going on. Oh, I swear. They're fighting again. Some people are going in timeout. Meanwhile, give the remote back. You give it the remote. Won't get off the stupid chair. Guys, stop arguing. Shut up, Mia. No one likes you. Okay. I'm the king of the castle. I'm the king of the remote. I get all the remote. Shut up, Rowan. Yeah, you're not the boss. You're a stupid butthead. I'm just gonna get out of it. Yeah, you should, Mia. Yeah, get out. Get your big butt out of here. Yeah, shut up, Rowan. No one likes you. Oh my god, just shut up. I'm the king and no, I get your dinosaur. Look, I'll mess it up. See? My dinosaur! trampoline. And I'm gonna throw it. Whee! You are gonna regret that. No! Get that back. Mommy, it's all his fault. What is going on? I have nothing to do with this, and I'm going. Get back here. Okay. It actually wasn't me for once. What is going on? Well, basically, so he was saying he was the king, and then he messed up my dinosaur and turned it into a plane and threw it across the room. So then Parker hit Rowan. Stop telling. You're not meant to tell. I thought you were on my side, Megan. Well, I'm on no one's side. Yeah, I am a girl with attitude. Weary, Emily. Weary. Hey, who said your name was Meg? My name was Megan. My name's Lily. Oh. Wait. Oh my god, I just realized something. Isn't Megan the name of that girl in school you like? What girl in school you like? Gotta go. Yeah, fix my dinosaur. Anyway, right, who's going in timeout? I think it should be Rowan and Parker. Oh, no, Lily, come on. You're all going to have no TV. Just sit there and play nicely. Get back here, Parker. Okay. How about you all do your homework? Yes, what an amazing idea. You all do your homework. Oh, for goodness sake. This is your fault, Rowan. Yeah, it's your fault, Rowan. Yeah, you made us all have to do homework. Oh my god. I thought we were gonna get away with it. Hey guys, I love homework. Shut up, Rowan. You're such a nerd. You know that? Just come on. I'll sit here. Yeah. Come on. Move, doggy. I'll sit next to you. I'm sitting here. I'm holding it. You know what? I don't want to sit next to Stinky Rowan. For goodness sake, guys, can you stop bullying your brother? Nope. We're not bullying. Well, I'll start doing your homework. And who made this mat? Mom, I don't want to do my homework. Do you even have homework? No. Then why did you say you don't want to do homework? Mia, homework. Oh my god. What made you think that? Oh, for goodness sake. Anyway, let's go. About that, let's go get your father. Liam, come sort this out. Just one sneak peek. Liam, what do you think you're doing? I'm going to say, this was Lily that opened it? No. Anyways, it's a snowstorm. It's freezing. I know. What are we gonna do? Come back for part 2.